Hello guys, myself Sunidhi in Never Stop Learning classes. Today I am going to start a very important topic, that is digestion and absorption. In this chapter we have first topic, that is nutrition. The word nutrition is derived from the Greek word nutrien. It means to nourish. The term nutrition is the sum of all those activities which are concerned with ingestion, digestion, absorption, oxidation, growth, biomolecule production and digestion. In short, we can say that nutrition is equal to total of ingestion, digestion, absorption, oxidation, growth, biomolecule production and digestion. Then we will discuss about the classification of nutrition. There are two types of nutrition. First, autotrophic nutrition, second, heterotrophic nutrition. Further, autotrophic nutrition is also divided into two types, that is chemosynthetic nutrition and photosynthetic nutrition. Second, heterotrophic nutrition is further divided into four types of nutrition, that is holozoic nutrition, saprophytic nutrition, osmotropic nutrition and parasitic nutrition. We will discuss in detail about autotrophic nutrition. In Greek, auto means self, trophy means nourishment. From this, it is clear that autotrophs are the organisms that are self-nourishing. It means they are self-nourishing, they produce their own food with the help of chemical or sunlight. Types of autotrophic nutrition. In autotrophic nutrition, first type is chemosynthetic. By its name, it is clear that chemo means chemical, synthetic means synthesis. Nutrition. In this type of nutrition, the required energy for the synthesis of nutrient is obtained from oxidation of hydrogen gas, methane, carbon monoxide, ammonia gas, etc. For example, sulfur bacteria, nitrosomonas, nitrobacter, etc. It means these bacteria or organisms require chemical for the synthesis of their food. Now next is photosynthetic nutrition. It is type of nutrition chlorophyll containing organisms are involved. Energy used in synthesis of nutrients in this type autotrophism is energy of sunlight trapped by chlorophyll. It means in this type of nutrition chlorophyll is required for the production of food. Example, green plants and certain microorganisms. In further, we will discuss in detail about heterotrophic nutrition. In Greek, heteros means different, trophy means nutrition, nourishment. Types of heterotrophic nutrition. First, holozoic nutrition. Such type of organisms are usually fed on solid organic food materials which may be whole plant, whole animal or their plant parts. Based upon the source of food, holozoic nutrition are following types. Now first, herbivores. These organisms are directly dependent on autotrophs for their nutrition. For example, rabbit, cow, horse, etc. Carnivorous. These organisms are dependent on herbivores and other animals for their nutrition. For example, lion, tiger, etc. Third, omnivorous. These organisms are dependent on herbivores and carnivores for their nutrition. For example, crow, cockroaches, human, etc. Fourth, cannibals. These organisms eat upon a member of their own species, fishes, snakes, etc. Fifth, detritivorous. When the animal fed chiefly upon the dead organic matter in mud. For example, earthworm. Predators. These organisms fed the smaller animal species. For example, kite, eagle, etc. These are also known as environment cleaners. 7th, insectivorous. These organisms fed upon insects, example frog, lizard, etc. In insectivorous, one more type is found, that is edentulous, fed only upon ant. The organism which fed only upon ants, for example echidna. 8th, scavenger. These organisms fed upon the dead and decaying organic matter, for example vulture, crow, etc. Piscivorous. Organisms that fed upon fishes, for example crocodile. Granivorous. These organisms fed upon grains, for example pigeons. Next, coprophagous. This organism fed upon fecus matter, excreta, for example pig, beetle, etc. Now next type is saprophytic nutrition. Such organisms secrete digestive juice on dead and decaying organic matter and convert it into a solution. This type of nutrition is especially seen in fungi. Osmotropic nutrition. Such organisms take pre-digested food material by diffusion through their body wall. for example Trypanosoma, Taenia solium, etc. Now next and last type is parasitic nutrition. Such organisms or parasites derive food from another organism which is called as host. For example Puccinia, Cuscuta, etc. Parasite is also of two types, ectoparasite, endoparasite. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। अगर वीडियो पसंद आया तो आप इसे अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के साथ शेयर करने के बाद वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें और सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस करें। थैंक यू।